everybody, my name is Astha and today we're going to see how to play this very interesting game all for the foodies called Chatpate. Chatpate is a game for 2 to 5 players where everyone has come for a meal at the Chatpate restaurant and is trying to build the most valuable plate. Whoever has the best food combinations in their plate at the end gets the most points and wins the game. The setup of the game is very simple. Take the 2 My Turn and 2 Bill cards in the game and remove them for now. Shuffle the remaining cards and give 5 to everyone. After this, add the 2 Bill cards to the remainder and shuffle the deck to form a draw pile. The reason for doing this is so that no one gets the bill in their hand even before they start playing. Because this game is one for the foodies, whoever ate food most recently is the first player and can take one My Turn card. Before moving forward, let's see what the cards in this game mean. There are some food cards like Pani Puri, Pav Bhaji, Dosa, Sandwich and Gola. They all have point conditions written on the top right. There are also some special cards which are black in color like Chutney, Dhakka Mukki, Combo, Spoon, Double Dhamaka and the Bill, which can get some additional benefits and points that are written on the top right as well. Special cards cannot be played by anyone in the first 2 rounds of the game. I will explain each of the food cards and special cards in detail as we move forward. Now let's have a look at how to play the game. Each round is divided into 4 steps. In the first step, all of you select one card from your hand and place it face down in front of you, whichever you think will score some good points. This area in front of you, that is your plate. In step 2, all of you reveal the chosen cards clockwise, one by one, starting with whoever has the My Turn card. Step 3 is that once all the cards are revealed in the plates, all of you have to pass your remaining cards in hand to your friends on the left, just like this. During this, even the My Turn card has to be passed on. For step 4, all of you have to draw cards from the draw pile to bring the total cards in your hand to 5. This doesn't include the My Turn card though. And if the draw pile is not over in this round, you all start the next round from step 1 again, trying to fill your plate with the most delicious food. Just a reminder, special cards which are black in color cannot be played in the first 2 rounds. The game can end in 2 ways. The first is when someone plays a special card, Bill. Firstly, you can't ask for a bill without having some dessert, so you can't play the bill till you at least have one Gola in your plate. Secondly, when you want to play the bill card, shout out Chatpate and play the bill card before the round begins, even if it's not your turn first. This immediately ends the game and no one can play any cards this round. The other way the game can end is when the restaurant is shut. When all the cards in the draw pile are over, there's no more food left at Chatpate restaurant and now you can move on to scoring. Now let's see the Chatpate menu to know how you can score lots of points with food cards. For every Pani Puri card in your plate, you get 20 points. So take as many puris as you can. Only one dosa card is 0 points, but every set of 2 dosa cards is 50 points. The same applies to sandwiches. Only one sandwich gives you nothing, but every set of 2 is 50 points, because the more you have, the better. Pav Bhaji has an interesting scoring system. Just one Pav Bhaji card is only 10 points, but 2 Pav Bhaji cards is 50 points. And even better, 3 Pav Bhaji cards in your plates is 100 points. And for the 4th Pav Bhaji card, it's a new set and the count starts from 10 again. Gola is a dessert, so its score is seen at the end only by comparison. At the end of the game, whoever has the most Golas in their plates gets 100 points. And if there's a tie, everyone in the tie gets 100 points. For everybody who doesn't have the most golas, the gola cards don't have any points. Special cards can give an added boost in your score and also some advantages during the game. Let's see how they can smartly be used at the Chatpate restaurant. While playing, when you reveal that you have played double dhamaka, you can immediately take 2 cards from your hand and play them. Then discard the double dhamaka card in a discard pile beside the draw pile. Just remember, the cards you play after revealing double dhamaka, it cannot be another double dhamaka. Dhakka Mukhi card can actually cause some fights because when you reveal Dhakka Mukhi, you can force a friend to put 2 cards from their plate into the discard pile. These cards have to be of their choice. And then you have to choose one food card and keep it in yours instead. Once played, discard the Dhakka Mukhi card. The spoon card helps you scoop out a lot from your friends. When you reveal that you have played spoon, announce any 1 out of 5 food types and everybody has to give you 1 card from their plate of that food if they have it. Discard the spoon after use. Food combos are great in real life and in this game as well. You can place the combo card on any 2 different food cards in your plate, except for Gola. This combo is worth 100 points. And even if your friends play the Dhakka Mukhi card, this combo cannot be broken by them or by you. But just remember, once 2 cards are locked in a combo, their own points will not be counted. Only the 100 points of the combo will be counted. Chutney is an added flavor in a lot of desi food and hence it can give a lot of additional benefits at Chatpate restaurant as well. If you place chutney on pani puri, the total of the 2 is 60 points. Chutney on 2 dosas is 150 points. And chutney on 2 sandwiches is also 150 points. But just remember, chutney is always added on the foods and in the combinations that I just mentioned. Also, chutney cannot be added to a card already in a combo. In case someone plays a Dhakka Mukhi card and you're forced to remove cards on which chutney is kept, you will have to remove that chutney and place it randomly in the draw pile. Let's see a scoring example to help understand it better. If this is your plate with so many food items, your score will be calculated one by one. These 2 pani puris give you 40 points. 2 dosas with chutney is 150 points. The single sandwich by itself gives no points. There are 3 pav bhaji, which is 100 points. The single pav bhaji and sandwich is in a combo, so that is 100 points again. And if you have 5 golas, assuming that's the highest in the game, that's 100 points. So the total bill amount is 490 points. And at the end, after everyone's bill is calculated, the one with the highest bill score is the winner and a self-proclaimed foodie at Chatpate restaurant. So go ahead, put together some valuable plates with great taste and a touch of speciality. That's how you play Chatpate.